What Click&Leads can do: 100% cloud-based. This cloud-based application generates and delivers Facebook email capture posts and ads. FB email capture posts. Every click on these email capture posts not only redirects the visitor to the post link URL like any other FB post, but also captures their email along the way. Pixel. In addition, these Click&Leads posts, you can save the pixel of each of the Facebook users that click on the post. No friction. The opt-in conversion rate is very high, because it is a no-friction flow system and can easily target up to 2 billion users in every type of niche. Ready to use, the Click&Leads user has all the work done in advance. No need to create a FB or Google account. 3 types of post generator. Click&Leads has 3 sources of captivating new content to choose from built directly into the application, generating enticing email capture posts and thereby leveraging fast, free, and easy clicks into easy leads. Simply choose the type of post to generate the click magnet, post templates, viral news or trending videos. Limitless Possibilities. The Click&Leads user have limitless possibilities and variations of content to create the most attractive and fresh posts to be the viral lead magnets. Autoresponder. These email leads are sent to the user autoresponder list to get the ball rolling on any follow-up sequence necessary, jump-starting sales,